Hi, Lee Foster here, Head of Advisory at Insentra. I take care of advisory services that we lead through our partners and onto their clients. We've worked with MicrotechDPS for around 18 months to 2 years. We've completed a number of successful migration projects. We've also completed a lot of strategically led projects around advisory and taking clients on a journey.
As an organisation, a number of years ago, we made an assessment that we needed to really expand our services offering to our customers and to our potential customers throughout regional Australia. Part of that was probably looking at ways to be able to augment our existing bench rather than having to place all of those additional skill sets within our team. So we set about looking for organisations to work with who could really, I suppose, facilitate new services to our customers and give us an ability to be able to add more value than what we had as a traditional MSP. Insentra have really challenged our thinking around that strategic approach to helping our customers be guided and planned in their overall approach to technology. We feel that it's given us a great opportunity to deliver a lot more value. Certainly all the usual things you would hope for in expansion of revenue and profits, but most of all, I guess, additional skill set and services to our customers to be able to help their businesses thrive and gain more value from our relationships. The partnership with Insentra in particular gave us the opportunity to focus much more around our Microsoft skills and our services and the things we provide to our customers on the Microsoft stack. So we've worked really hard through the advisory group and also with the project teams to expand upon our offering and deliver more value for our customers, in particular around the Microsoft stack. Working together as two organisations, there's always a period of learning how each other like to work and looking at what each other's outcomes are really based on. So the account management model that Insentra run through their National Partnership Manager has given us an opportunity to have a central point of contact. With that being said, at the same time, we've also been lucky enough to develop relationships with each of the specific business units, which has given us a quicker road to market and a real ability to be able to take those services and deliver those to our clients on a probably a more one-to-one basis. Next for us is really an expansion of our offering into the market. We've had an opportunity to establish ourselves with Insentra and that partnership model quite well now. We're expanding our sales team. We're looking at taking our services further and wider into other parts of regional Australia and really looking forward to presenting that skill set and expanding our offerings further afield.
The partnership with MicrotechDPS has evolved from being very much transactional on a project-by-project basis. It's evolved into more of a collaborative, true partnership type engagement, and we're working in lockstep to deliver outcomes for clients and driving strategic outcomes for what the partner needs are, not just for what the client's looking for.